Namaste students, खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN Dr. Meenakshi Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about discuss the sales, what is business organization. In the subject, our topic is business environment. We define that business environment. Business environment. Definition of business environment is sum or collection of all internal and external factors like employees, customers' need and expectation, supply and demand, management, clients, suppliers, owners, activities by government. Innovation in technology, social trend, market trends, economic change, etc. These factors affect the function of the company and how a company works directly or indirectly. Some of these factors influence the company or business, organizations, environment and situation. Business environment help in identifying business opportunities, tapping useful resources, assist in planning, and improve the overall performance, growth, and profitability of business. There are various types of business environment like macro and environment and micro environment. Following chapter include These are chapters include introduction of business environment, forms of business organization, scales of business, emerging trend in business, business function. First one is introduction to business environment. Business environment is the most important aspect of any business. The forces which constitute of business environment are its suppliers, competitors, media, government, customer, economic condition, investors, and multiple other institute working extremely. Next, forms of organization. Forms of the business organization depend on the criteria like the nature of the business, size of operation, and on many more things. Here, let us took the various forms of business organization. Scales of business. We always keep hearing things: small business, large business, MNCs on a regular basis. These terms are nothing but a way to define the skills of business. Here in this chapter, we study about different small scale, medium scale, etc. Emerging trend in business. Like in any other industry, business industry to witness various change in the fashion of its working over the time. This change refers to the business trend. Business functions. The term business function encompasses a lot more of that one may think, from the resources, the management of the resources, all come under the study of business function. These are the business environment. Definition of business environment is sum or collection of all internal or external factors such as employees, customer needs, expectation, supply and demand, management, client, suppliers, owners, activities by government, innovation and technology, social trend, market trend, economic change, etc. These factors affect the function of the company and how a company works directly or indirectly. Some of these factors influence the company's or business organization, environment and situation. Business environment help in identify business opportunity, tapping useful resources, assistant in planning, improve the overall performance. In this session, important question are: what is business empowerment? Thank you. This session is powered by Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any queries, question, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.